you might have come face to face with an issue called D3D11 compatible GPU issue. So let me show you how you can fix this issue in this video. So hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix D3D11 compatible issue. So there are a few steps that you can use to resolve this issue. So the first step is just simply update your Windows. So for doing that, just simply go to Start, then search Update, then click on Check for Updates over here. Then again, just simply click Check for Updates. Now give it a few seconds, and if your Windows is up to date, it will tell you it is up to date, or it will give you a list of updates and then it will automatically install them into your PC. So just simply wait for a little bit. As you can see, my Windows is currently up to date, but a new Windows version is available for my particular Windows. So if you also have one of these, just simply click download and install, and then it will ask you to restart your Windows. But let's start the downloading process first. And now what you have to do is just simply wait until the downloading process is complete. And while it is completing the downloading process, let's move on to the next step. So the step 2 is just simply update your graphics driver. So for doing that, just simply right click on your start menu, then click device manager, then go to display adapters over here. Just simply click the drop down. So over here, the name of your graphic card will be listed. So what you have to do is just simply right click and update driver. Then just simply click search automatically for drivers. So as you can see, my graphic driver is already up to date, but if your graphic driver is not up to date, it will automatically install it for you. So now let's move on to the third step. So the third step is just simply open up your Valorant launcher. So this is the launcher, just simply open this. So after the launcher is open, just simply open up the game over here and check whether do you have an update or not, because if you have an update over here, it will be mentioned. For some reason, if it is not showing over here, just simply go to the profile icon over here. Just simply click that, then go to settings, then just simply click repair over here or update if it is written over here. So just simply do that, and then while it is updating, we will move on to the fourth step. So for the fourth step, you have to download few applications. So as always, the links will be always provided in the description. So just simply go to the websites. So this is the first website that you have to go, and you have to download Microsoft Visual C++. So you will find 3 links over here. You have to download all 3 of them. So just simply click on them, choose a location and download, and do this for all 3 of them. And now what you have to do, just simply click and install all 3 of them. After clicking on an application, just simply click agree, then install. As you can see, it is currently initialization. So let the process complete, install these 2 of them as well. So while it is initializing, let's move on to the next application, which is DirectX End User Web Installer. So over here, just simply click the link from the description. Then over here, just simply choose your language, then click download. Now again, choose the download location, then press save, and it should get downloaded. So simply again click on the download, start installing the DirectX. For doing that, just simply click the checkbox I accept the agreement, and make sure to uncheck this box which says install the Bing bar. So just uncheck this, then press next, and again it's initializing. So just simply wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, it gave me the download size of the DirectX runtime. So just simply press next, and the download process has begun, and it will download within a few seconds and it will start installing. After the installation is complete, just simply press finish. If you go back to the systems update, you will find it is still updating. So when this update is completed, just simply restart your Windows. So after this update is completed, just simply restart your Windows and the issue should be fixed. So that's all, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.